Hey Lexi, how you doing today? It's Leo again from on the phone earlier. I really appreciate how professional and polite you was on the phone. That was really awesome. Um, Again, just to reiterate, the reason for this video is I like helping local roofing companies increase value and online presence. With these custom videos I shoot, I like to give a few tricks and tips. If y'all love the video, that is awesome. If not, like I said, no harm, no foul. Um, won't be calling back every day, pestering you or anything. Because what I do is get the email I need to send this custom video to, and then it shows my value. A lot of times people don't know which digital marketers to work with because they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So that's why I like to shoot customized videos, just to kind of show you what I know and what I do. And here we go. So the first thing I want to talk about is I love the red, white, and blue. I love the Greater American Roofing logo. I love the name. Man, I like that you got your number up here at top. That way, anybody coming in that's here for an emergency roof repair or anything like that, they can find this number as soon as they come to the page. The ones that don't, that actually wants to take a look at the page and see what all you're talking about. This page looks really good. I like the layout. I like the simplicity of it. And don't be offended by simple. Simple is how I build all of my sites. I love just organic, regular text. A lot of nice pictures in there, and some good content. And content is just simply words, and um, more than just words, it is command content. It's something that's actually regarding your site and your occupation and things that you all do. So on this first page, I took all your words on here, added it up. I'm sorry, this is a back page. The front page was, I think it was, yeah, no, this is what it's from. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is your word counter. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page here. And as you see, there's not a lot of content on this home page. And the reason for that is Google sends out robots that crawls and looks for these keywords and content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl the site in search of this content. They ping those keywords, buyer intent keywords, and it kind of gives points to your website. The more points you earn, the higher up the ranks you go. I will touch on keywords here in just a moment. Another thing, just because you're so awesome on the phone, let me show you something here. So these are geotags. So every time Google scours these sites, they don't see these awesome pictures. They don't see anything besides this right here. Okay. So let's see if this one saved out. Greater American Roof Replacement. Okay, that's not bad. I would just do roof replacement, Louisville, Kentucky, because if someone's searching roof replacement, Louisville, Kentucky, you know that that's a buyer intent keyword. That is a phrase that someone searches that is intending to pay for your services. So, again, Google doesn't see photos, they just see what's behind the photo, they see the geotag. So, you need to make those have buyer intent keywords. So 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, and then on these back pages, you want about 500 to 750 command content words on there. Let's take a look at your roof repairs back page. Not too bad at all. Just need to get up. When I say 5 to 750, I really mean 750. Whenever it comes to these website builds, whatever your competition is doing, I like to blow them out of the water. So if they have 1,500 words, I like to do 25. If they have 20 photos, I like to do 40. If their back pages have 750 words in their content, I like to do 1,250. Just something where I one and a half them, or at least 50% more outdo them. That way, there's no back and forth rank jumping. You assume that position, you take it. This is the number one roofing company in your area. Not number one, but number one in Google's eyes because the SEO on this content on this page is so good. So, as you know, it should be 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage, and it is far from it. And their back pages need to have 500 to 750 command content words on here, and they are far from it. So now you're probably asking, well, since you have a lot more content, how come they're outranking you? And I'm going to show you right here. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it is a paid tool. But if this is something you're wanting to do on your own, there is free tools. I just have to have the paid version because it really breaks it down to the nitty-gritty details and shows me everything that I need to see. So what I want to talk to you about is content first, which we went over, and then these backlinks. So your number one competitor has over 2,000 backlinks, and you have 50. And if you're not familiar with a backlink is just simply your website name is somewhere else on the internet. So it could be on a blog post. If you got a friend that has a roofing blog, you could ask them to put your website in their content, and that'll be a backlink. So you want to have power and you want to have trust to your site, which you're not ranking for yet. But you have 3 organic keywords, no organic traffic, and no organic traffic value. Now they have 694 keywords that generates this much traffic, that generates this much extra money every month just from this website sitting here on this page. Because anytime anybody searches anything with roofing, Louisville, Kentucky, this company shows up first. So the purpose of this tool is to go in and be able to see the keywords that they have, the backlinks that they have, and that way we can mimic those, get the same ones they have, and then I can go to work with all the other things that I know to do and to help you push yourself further up the ranks and outrank your competition. So buyer intent keywords is keywords or phrases that is typed in by the general public that is searching for services. Louisville roofing is a buyer intent keyword. Louisville roofers, although very, very similar, are completely different. Just these 2 words right here, these 2 keyword phrases, is generating 1,100 searches a month. 2,100, 3,100, 4,100. So just 8 to 10 words of content has got this company over 4,000 extra set of eyes on their website a month. So that's the purpose of the content, because if you all had everything else the same, your content would push you up over. Okay. So one more thing I want to go over with you, because we went over content, we went over backlinks, we went over the geotagging for the images, and we went over keywords. Last thing I want to go over with you is backlinks, citations. So citation is also a backlink that links from a directory like Yelp back to your page. And a citation is also known as a NAP, name, address, phone number. So you can go there, put your business name, your business address, your business phone number in there, and then Lexi, boom, you got yourself a citation, okay? And then that citation counts as a backlink. The citation brings strength and power and trust to your site. That's your URDR, and that'll start getting that up right there, okay? So again, my name is Leo Arona. Lexi, I really enjoyed talking to you today. Hope you enjoyed this customized video I made for you. You can give me a call at 270-841-3600 if you like. If not, you can reply to the email that I'm going to be sending this link from. I'd love some constructive criticism, feedback, anything, any kind of feedback regarding this video would be great. Like I said, if you love this video, reach back out to me. If not, no harm, no foul. You won't hear from me again. But I hope to hear from you. So have a good day, Lexi. Thanks for being so awesome. Have an awesome day.